Yes, my people, good day. Customer states the fuel release door is not working. Well, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Have you seen the cost of gas lately? First thing we do is confirm the condition. So listen. Yeah, me hear it. Let me put you around there. So when I press the button and look, this it right here. It's not open. I'm going to leave you around here so you can listen. Hopefully you can hear it. So it sounds like it's trying to work, which is a good thing, which tells me that the circuit is good. The circuit's working, button working, wire working, fuse is good, relay good. It's the solenoid that's doing the work. Sound like it hanging up, like you get tired or it's stuck or something. So we'll take a closer look and see. Need to go in the trunk. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Fancy smancy. There we go. This is the solenoid that unlocks the fuel door. The cable runs up through and goes to the fuel tank on the side. I'll show you in a minute. And this is the cable that you would pull. You see this little cable here going to it? You could pull this and this manually opens the fuel door. So he had to be doing it from the inside. First thing that jumps out to me, that shouldn't be wobbly. Because if this is not sturdy or secure, how is it going to pull on something? I'm going to go hit the button. I can't be up front and back here at the same time. So you're going to have to tell me if you see this whole thing move. Did it move? Everything works. It is just that the solenoid is not mounted to a firm. So I'm going to figure out what's going on with that. 1 hour diagnosis. Yeah, absolutely. Let me take you along for the ride. Let me see what the problem is. See these screw heads here? There's one there and one here. One there and then one up there. See how they kind of have a little opening? It's as simple as this. If you see that right with the larger part and the smaller part, you put it in the larger part and slip it over to the smaller part and it just stays. So let's do it. It's in there now. It's in there now. Gotta give it that little oomph. All right, moment of truth. What? Boy, that sound like it unlocked a while ago. What? Fix. 1 hour diagnosis, quick and fast. Next. Have a nice day.